house named after the title of the film COCO produced by Pixar in 2016. The designer's goal is to combine reality and virtuality by using glassy materials to create a unique sense of space. This illusion makes the house appear larger than its actual dimensions of 4.6 m. From certain angles, the house offers an endless view. Additionally, certain elements in the house are only partially designed but when reflected in a mirror, reveal their complete pattern. For example, the window arches in the reading space on the second floor can be seen in detail through the mirror. This method enhances the available space in a narrow-width townhouse, creating a bigger and more open atmosphere. It allows the architect to effectively communicate their intended concept through the building. On the homeowner's side, their preference is to have a vast planting area and engage in koi fish keeping, all while maintaining a minimalist and spacious style. In addition to adding beauty to the living space, the fish pond also helps regulate the microclimate. The owner's daily routine is taken into account with the inclusion of a relaxation section complete with a hammock, as well as a dedicated space for offering clinical services. Essentially, the house serves as both a residence and a place for conducting business. The use of glass brick in the design mimics wave patterns and represents the western water region of Vietnam. This also highlights the aesthetic curve of the facade. The glass bricks not only offer privacy for the open space inside the house, but also provide ample natural light. To protect against rainy weather, ventilation bricks are used in the design. These bricks not only allow for air circulation from the facade to every corner of the house, but also serve as drainage and ventilation points. The architect has carefully selected and arranged these bricks in different directions to fulfill both aesthetic and functional purposes. The architect has skillfully combined the living room and kitchen, creating a cohesive area using the technique of space lending. As a result, the kitchen and dining space can be easily expanded by incorporating a dining table with 6 to 18 seats, making it perfect for special occasions or entertaining large groups of people. In addition to catering to the investor's passion for gardening, the house features 5 gardens of varying sizes. These not only provide a delightful hobby for the owner but also serve as effective barriers against noise and dust. To regulate the amount of natural light, the architect has cleverly installed marble pebbles across the glass roof. This innovative solution allows the sunlight to bounce off the pebbles, creating a radiant effect that is ideal for everyday activities.